Wow, it's mouth-watering. Today, Fiza will show you how to make these innovative instant Gulab Jamuns.
Hello everyone. The things we need are 1 cup powder milk, 2 tablespoons semolina, water just to knead the dough as needed, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon bicarbonated soda, 1 egg. All these things are for the Gulab Jamun. And for the sugar syrup, we need 1 cup sugar, 3 or 4 cardamoms cracked like this, and 2 cups of water. First, we will knead the dough for the Gulab Jamun. Add 1 cup powder milk, 2 tablespoons semolina, and bicarbonated soda and baking powder. First, mix all the dry ingredients. After mixing the dry ingredients, we will crack the egg and pour into the bowl and mix it. After mixing it like this, apply some oil on your hands before you start kneading the dough. Then knead it well like this and check the consistency. If it's very hard, then you will add a little water, but be very careful. You have to add water drop by drop.
What will happen if we pour more water?
The dough will be very soft and impossible to make the Gulab Jamun.
Okay.
The dough is ready. It should be this much soft, and when you start making the Gulab Jamun, if you feel that the dough is again dry, you can add a little bit more water and knead the dough again. If the Gulab Jamuns are not going well and you can see the cracks in the Gulab Jamun, like the Gulab Jamuns should be like this, smooth. If you see any cracks in them, then you add more water and then make the balls like this. Today I am trying something different, so I am making heart-shaped Gulab Jamun like this. Okay, I have shaped all the Gulab Jamuns. Now I will fry them. I will put them in an oil one by one. The oil is on low heat. While Gulab Jamuns are getting ready, I will make my sugar syrup. Add 2 cups of water, 1 cup sugar, cardamom, and stir it. I will wait for the sugar syrup to boil. While sugar syrup is boiling, keep stirring your Gulab Jamuns so they cook evenly from all sides. When the sugar syrup starts boiling and the sugar is dissolved, lower the heat and let it cook for next 5 minutes. In the meantime, the Gulab Jamuns will be ready. When the Gulab Jamuns turn golden brown, directly drop them in the sugar syrup like this. When you drop all the Gulab Jamuns in the syrup, cover the lid for next couple of minutes so the Gulab Jamuns soak all the syrup. After approximately 5 minutes, the Gulab Jamuns are ready to serve.
Wow, it's mouth-watering.